This video will walk you through how to read your report, interpret the results, and take action to protect your equipment. When you receive a sample report via email, or if you are accessing your report via your Horizon account, it comes with an abundance of information regarding your sample, component information, test results, comments, sample history, and more. The first area to look at when you receive your report is the severity scale in the top right corner. Severities range from 0 to 4 on a scale of normal to critical, 4 being the most critical. The overall report severity is based on both comments and test results, not just individual results. This phone number at the top of every report lets you contact a data analyst for report clarification questions and assistance. The next section to look at is the information section. This section displays information for the account, component, sample, filter, product, and other relevant data. This section is important to review to ensure you're looking at the correct sample report. When you submit a sample online, it is important to provide the laboratory with as much information about your sample, lubricant, and component as possible. The more information our data analysts have, the more accurate our recommendations will be. The comments section is the most important area to review on your report, more important than the severity scale. This section includes the analysis of the test results, including maintenance recommendations and feedback from our certified data analysts. Our analysts will only give a maintenance recommendation in the comments on severity 3s displayed in orange and severity 4s displayed in red. This section will provide you with in-depth analysis and interpretation of the actual test results listed further down on the report. These comments give you precise recommendations for actions, suggestions, and repairs to make to fix the problem. The next section on your report shows the actual results from the test ran in the laboratory on your sample. 24 different elemental metals detect wear, contamination, multi-source, and additive metals. Your sample report is interactive through Horizon. This means you can click on the testing header and access more information about the method, instruments used, and how the test is performed, in addition to possible sources and causes. This section includes information about this exact sample, such as the date it was sampled, the date the laboratory received it, lube time, unit time, lube change, lube added, and filter change. Here you will see additional historical sample data for this component. It is important to include this detailed information when you submit your sample so you can establish trending for your equipment. Historical sample can either be displayed above or below the current results, which can be customized in your Horizon user settings. The orientation of the report results can be controlled in your user settings. The next section displays test results for an additional testing ran on your sample. These results are based on your test package and fluid type. If any of these results are flagged in a color, this means it coordinates with the level of severity for the report on the top right. It's important to review these flagged results with the corresponding comments to determine what action to take. Historical comments will be pulled in from previous sample reports, along with the severities for each report for this component. Messages appear below the comment when the user submitting a sample leaves a message with additional information when they submit the sample. These graphs show a trending history of past samples for this component. The graphs displayed on the report can be selected using the Sample Report Display settings under My Settings in your Horizon account. As a Horizon user, you can customize these graphs in your user settings. We hope you found this video helpful. You can find more Horizon videos in the technical library. If you have any additional questions or need assistance, contact customer service. We're here to help.